will never be easy. It's never gonna be easy. It requires hard work, patience. However, this is an industry that rewards people that are willing to learn and willing to grow. Before I entered the tourism and hospitality industry, I didn't have everything figured out yet. I did not know which country I'd worked in, what role I'd have, but I said yes to opportunities. I said yes to things that scared me a little. I even said yes, even though I didn't have experience of becoming a guest speaker. I'm standing here because of those yeses. And I am sure that somewhere in this room is someone whose story hasn't been started yet. And that story could be yours. You decide when it begins. Okay? Thank you again, guys, for listening. Once again, I am Grishala Agnes Cruz, reminding you to turn your dreams into destinations. Mabuhay ang Tunisia.
Thank you so